Hello guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you the 5 coolest gadgets that you ever seen. So let's get started. A digital ruler that transforms the way you measure things. Most importantly, a ruler that measures a variety of surfaces easier than ever before. With one easy roll at a time, Rollova provides you with an accurate measurement on its solid screen. It measures curves, lines, and a variety of surfaces that is compatible with major units of length. Rollova is a pocket-friendly ruler that is designed to transform the way you measure things. In recent years, there have been many attempts to devise some sort of invisibility tech. Now, UK and BASED startup Invisibility Shield Co has come onto the scene with a new product to help you fulfill that dream of becoming invisible. As you can see, a person standing behind the shield truly does seem to disappear. This happens thanks to a really fun optical phenomenon called lenticular lensing, where a series of thin cylinder-shaped lenses are arranged parallel on a surface. The Powerup 4.0 is a smartphone-controlled paper airplane that allows you to get creative, either folding your own unique wing shapes or following along with suggested designs. The plane is controlled by a Bluetooth connection with smartphone. A very simple app lets you pair with the plane and start flying right away. Ozobot Evo is a tiny robot with big potential. You can program your miniature robot to perform complex maneuvers. Just put it in your pocket. At first glance, Ozobots may remind you of toys. But don't judge this robot by its size. Advertised to schools and parents alike, Ozobots are educational tools, capable of entertaining and teaching both beginner and advanced coding enthusiasts if used correctly. Magic Leap 2 is the most immersive AR device on the market. It features industry-leading optics with up to 70 diagonal FOV, the world's first dynamic dimming capability, and powerful computing in a lightweight ergonomic design to elevate enterprise AR solutions. Magic Leap has switched to optical tracking that incorporates both headset-based sensors and cameras mounted in the actual controller. The remote isn't built to give you full-fledged virtual hands the way many VR controllers do, and I didn't get to try any complex object manipulation, but it certainly feels functional enough for simple point-and-click interfaces. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.